Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwaa of Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm sharing with you my lasagna recipe. So to start off, you'll heat some olive oil in a pot. Add 1 chopped onion and 4 garlic cloves grated. So I've used red onion, but you can use white onion as well. 1 diced carrot. Sprinkle some salt to help soften the veggies. And cook that for a minute or so. So once the vegetables are soft and fragrant, you're going to add 500 gram mince. Stir and cook that for another 3-4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon crushed dried chilies. Stir well. Add 1 tablespoon tomato puree. Stir that in again. Then you're going to add 1 can or 400 gram chopped tomatoes. Half a cup passata, which is optional. So passata is just the very fine tomatoes. 2 to 3 teaspoons sugar, and this is again according to your taste. You'll taste it for acidity and then add more if you want more sugar in it. Cook for a bit and add some chopped basil and oregano. So you're going to cook this meat until the tomatoes are cooked through and the carrots are soft. So in the meantime, you're going to make a cheese sauce or bechamel sauce. You're going to melt some butter in a pan. Add or whisk in 3 tablespoons of plain or cake flour. So it's best to use a whisk for this making cheese sauce. It's much easier and it's much quicker to use as well. Then you're going to add or gradually pour in and whisk in 300 milliliters of milk. And that's just little more than a cup. So at first you'll see the lumps. There's lumps in your milk mixture. But don't worry, that will go away as you're stirring and it's cooking. Whisk until smooth and slightly thickened. Then you're going to add in 1 cup of cheese. So I've used cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese according to your taste. Stir until the cheese is melted and the sauce is slightly thickened. You can add more cheese if you wish to. My family love a lot of cheese in their lasagna especially. And then you're going to cook it until the sauce is thick. You can see the texture and the consistency of the sauce. It should be like a stringy consistency due to the cheese. So you can see the minced tomato is cooked through. And we're going to start layering. You're going to start with a layer of mince in your oven-proof dish. Then a layer of Lasagne Sheets. Another layer of mince. And you can see I didn't pre-boil my Lasagne Sheets as it's going to cook in the oven and it will cook in the oven. So I added more cheese just for extra cheesiness, but you don't need to do that. That's completely optional. More Lasagne Sheets. And you're going to continue this layering until you've used all your mince And you're going to finish with the lasagna sheets on top. And then you're going to pour in your cheese sauce. Be sure to cover all the lasagna sheets. And you can top with more cheese. I've used slices of mozzarella cheese there. And some cheddar cheese as well. Sprinkle with dried herbs. And then it's going to bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. And there you have it, your lasagna. So you'll see the brown spots on there. That's the cheese that's cooked through. That's cooked a bit. So yeah, that gives character to the lasagna as well. And there you have it, my lasagna. Hope you can enjoy making it. And I'd love to hear your feedback. Until next time. Bye-bye.